Hi, I'm James. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install an Aqualisa smart valve and Canbus converter. The smart valve connections for a single outlet shower are shown here. The smart valve and diverters can be installed in these orientations. Having flushed through both hot and cold supply pipes, attach the supply pipes to the smart valve, ensuring that the cold and hot feeds are fitted into the appropriately marked inlets. Place the quartz smart valve on a solid mounting surface and fix the feet into position. Prepare and connect a pipe from the mixed water outlet to the proposed siting for the shower outlet. Using pipe clips, ensure that all pipework is perpendicular to the quartz smart valve, not putting any strain on the fittings. Connect to an electrical supply in accordance with the manufacturer's installation instructions. Most Aqualisa smart showers use the quartz valve with black lid. Aqualisa Q uses a smart valve with an orange lid. This requires a Canbus converter, which is installed as follows. Unscrew the single fixing on the quartz smart valve and carefully tilt the lid up and pull it clear. Insert the 500mm black Canbus data cable into the smart valve. You can open the cable connections to the Canbus with the removal tool provided. Connect the 10-metre white data cable into the Canbus converter box, following the wiring order shown on the label. If you connect the wrong wire, use the supply cable removal tool to remove the cable. Any other tool may damage the Canbus converter. Fix the Canbus converter box with self-tapping screws provided. Smart valves are supplied factory set with a flow rate at either normal HP or normal gravity mode. This can be adjusted. Maximum outlet temperature is factory preset at 45 degrees. If required, maximum temperature adjustment can be made with a flat-bladed screwdriver. Replace the quartz smart valve lid and secure the fixing screw.